All right, so we are looking at, this is CC2. This is section 2.6 and CC2, and then specifically number 2-102. So if we read the statement, it says below is a fast mental math technique to find 5, 6 times 24. Remember that 5, 6 times 24 is equal to 5 times 1, 6 times 24. So let's look through this and then I'll explain as we go along. What are they saying? So what is 1/6 of 24? So part A is asking what is that 1/6 of 24? When you see the word of, that word of is multiplication. So 1/6 of 24, to multiply 1/6 times 24, remember to take that whole number and you put that whole number over 1, and now you have this fraction times a fraction, right? So now it's 1/6 times 24 over 1, which you get 24 over 6. So a quick way to say 1/6 of 24 is 24 over 6, or 24 divided by 6, which is 4. So 1/6 of 24 is really 24 divided by 6, which is 4. Okay. And then B goes ahead and says, what is 5 times that quantity? Well, that quantity is the 4, right? So they want to know what is 5 times 4. Well, 5 times 4 is 20. So then they ask in C, they want to know, well, what is, so 5, 6 times 24? 5, 6 times 24, right? If we were going to look at this as is, you take the 24, as we do. When we take a whole number times a fraction, we put the whole number over 1, all right? And then we just multiply straight across. So this is the same thing as 5, 6 times 24 over 1. And when we multiply that, 5 times 24 is 120. And then 6 times 1 is 6. And then you have the division problem. 120 divided by 6 is equal to 20. Do the division if you need to on the side, so that way you can come up with what that is. So it's 120 divided by 6. So you do the division problem and you'd still see that it's 20. So what they're trying to show you is the quick way, what's the point of this problem? The point of this problem is the last question, 5, 6 times 24, is how they started. And what they did is they broke it up as, instead of 5, 6 times 24, it's 5. They took the numerator and made it a whole number, times 1/6, which is just that fractional piece, times 24. So the quick way to mentally do this is what they're trying to get you to see is, mentally, you would just go 6 goes into 24. 24 divided by 6 times 5. So 24 divided by 6, then times 5. So, and it gives you the answer of 20, which that's what we have when we do the math as normal. But the mental quick way is to break a fraction up by its numerator times its fractional denominator times, again, the whole number. Okay, hopefully that helped.